Raju had to leave due to a medical emergency. He realizes that his phone battery is low.
Oh no, my battery got drained and I don't have a charger.
A fraudster installs a charging cable with a virus and leaves it at the charging point in a public place. Raju notices the charging point with the charging cable and asks the fraudster if he can use it.
Hi, can I use your charging cable?
Why not? Please use it.
While charging, the charging cable injects the virus into Raju's mobile. During the next few days, the fraudster captured all details entered by Raju on his mobile and got hold of vital bank details like username, password, etc. One day, Raju receives SMS indicating unauthorized debits in his savings account and realizes that his account has been compromised somewhere.
So don't use charging adapters cables from strangers. For social cause by Cardi Intelligence and co-supported by OneShell.